Really? Morris dancing in the 21st century in Salisbury? Come on. That's not best British. I mean, we should have London chavs, proper gangster sort of chavs, should be showing off their booty, wearing skimpy outfits with rap music. I mean, this is not modern, this is completely obsolete and just bloody useless. This isn't best for Britain. Britain wants gangsters like will.i.am and people like Justin Bieber and Snoop Dogg, 50 Cent, not this. I want to see Salisbury, or at least Britain, celebrating proper chav music, rap music. All that stuff. Yeah, none of this crap. Then it's bollocks, really. It should be proper gangster music. That's Britain today in the 21st century.